Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share again in this video my notary journey. I finally got my certificate in the mail. I'm waiting for my stamp to come in a few days, and I'm decided what path I'm going on. I'm going to start the RON, which is remote online notary first, because I'm already working online with my business, and so I'm not trying to leave out the house to move around like that doing mobile notary or long signings at this point. So I'm gonna start off what's already going on with me when it comes to having an online presence, and that's remote online notary. And so that's the steps I'm taking. The platform I'm looking to use is called securesigning.com, and that's the people I'm going to be doing business with. We've done my research already on what we need to have to get started. Basically, you need $100 for your digital certificate, your seal, 70, 20, and 10, which is a total of 100. And from there, you up and running on this platform. You need to get out there and spread the word to all your people. You need to get out there and get your online presence on whatever social media accounts you have, and some other strategies that's going to help you to get customers who need your online notary services. And so everyone has to decide for themselves what's the best option for them getting started. One young lady I talked to decides she's starting in the uh, field inspection industry. And so the different opportunities to make money as a notary will vary based on where you live at. So for people who live in big towns or big cities, they might have more opportunities than people who stay in smaller towns and smaller cities and more rural places. So based on the overall demographics of where you live is kind of basically going to guide you into what you want to start with first. So it's, with me watching YouTube and me having a YouTube channel, I've checked out a whole lot of different notaries who have YouTube channels, got a whole lot of different perspectives from these people. And the biggest perspective that I got was they all were new to having a business in general, that none of them ever have a business in life. So they transitioned from working for someone to trying to own a business by being a notary. And so the challenges and the things they talked about I can identify with, because when we've been in business for so many years, I've went through a whole lot of different challenges and frustrations that you would go through as a business owner. So the things they talked about wasn't new to me. It wasn't a surprise to me. And so as I move towards my journey of getting up and running, doing the RON, which stands for Remote Online Notary, and the platform I'm going to use, I'm a mentor on another platform, and I will post that link to that platform, because as a mentor on that platform, the services we provide are free. So to help you to build out your business and what direction you want to go in and all the different things you need to consider to have in place, I can help you with that for free. But you got to connect with me on the platform that we that I'm a part of, which offers the free mentoring services. And so if you're interested in that, and if I forget the link, just reach out to me in a comment stating, "Hey, I'm interested in the mentoring program you're part of. I need your help." And boom, I'll send the link over to you, and you can uh, send me a message. You can register on the platform. You can fill out all the information that they're gonna ask you for, so we can have a better snapshot of what you looking to do, what you've done already, where you're looking to go, and so we have some type of information that help work with you on what you're trying to do. So the notary business is booming. It's been around forever, but it's just caught more attention more and more, especially when COVID hit in 2020. And so we have these different opportunities to make money as a notary. So if you're new to this and you want to learn more, I suggest you go to YouTube, type in notary, and check out all the different notaries that's on there. And when I say check them all, I mean check out the ones you like. Check out the ones you resonate with. Check out the ones you got a good feel and vibe for, who telling their story, who sharing their information, who sharing their journey. That's what I mean by check them out all. I ain't talking about literally, but I'm talking about connect with someone that you like, that you feel confident in, that you believe is telling their true, authentic story as it relates to their online notary journey, is what I mean by that. And so we will be coming out with my own notary course sometime this year because, see, with me being in business for 21 years, 15 as a business owner in the career industry of tax preparation and taxation, I don't have to wait 6, 7, 8, 9 months, 2 or 3, 4, 5 years to create a course in this industry because I'm new. That's not the reason why I would wait because I'm already rooted and grounded and established in the marketplace as a business owner. And so my goal is to help other inspiring entrepreneurs to get the help they need to be able to start and grow and build and expand a profitable business for themselves so they can live the type of lifestyle they want to live based on their dreams, their goals, their ambitions that they have for themselves. And I'll see you in my next video.